In this video, I'll be reviewing Atlas AI, the fastest way to build a Shopify store in 2025. Hi, it's Erin from Ecom Mastery, and if you've ever tried to build a Shopify store from scratch, you already know it can take a lot. Picking products, writing descriptions, making your site look cute but professional, it is so overwhelming, but Atlas AI basically does all of that for you. It's an app that builds your entire Shopify store in minutes using artificial intelligence. So today I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works step by step, from installing the app to generating your first product store. And I'll show you how to make it aesthetic, branded, and ready to sell. What is Atlas AI? Okay, before we even get into the walkthrough, let's break this down like we're talking over coffee, because if you have never built a store before, you might be thinking, wait, what even is Atlas AI? So here's the deal. Atlas AI is an app that helps you build a full online store automatically. Like, instead of sitting there for hours trying to write product descriptions, upload images, and make everything look cute and professional, Atlas does it all for you using AI. You just copy a product link, like something from AliExpress or Amazon, paste it into Atlas, and it builds the entire store for you. It writes the product copy, designs your homepage, picks images that actually look aesthetic, adds FAQs, upsells, bundles, literally everything. It's like having your own designer, copywriter, and web developer all working together, except it's all inside one app. If Shopify is the house where your business lives, Atlas is like the interior designer that comes in and decorates it beautifully in 5 minutes flat. The real benefit of using AI for store building. Here's the real reason Atlas AI is such a big deal. It removes the mental friction that stops most people from ever launching their store. When you're starting out, you get stuck in this perfection trap, spending hours on fonts, product descriptions, or trying to figure out how to make your homepage not look basic. But Atlas skips all that busy work. It gives you solid, ready to sell foundation so you can launch fast, start testing products, and actually see what works instead of guessing. Because in e-commerce, speed matters way more than perfection. It's easier to edit a live store than to spend weeks planning one that never goes live. Atlas helps you get to that launch point faster, and that's the difference between dreaming about your brand and then actually running it. What is Shopify? Now let's talk about Shopify itself, because if you're new to e-commerce, this part can be super confusing. Shopify is basically the platform that lets you run an online store. It's where you list your products, set prices, take payments, and manage orders. When you start a Shopify account, you get a 3-day free trial, then $1 for the first 3 months, which is crazy affordable. Once you're inside, you will see a dashboard where you can add products, customize your website, and track sales. And the best part, Shopify has its own app store, which is where Atlas AI lives. So when you click that link down below, it takes you straight to the app store page where you can install Atlas with one click. You don't need to code, you don't need to download anything weird. Shopify and Atlas just sync together automatically. So by the time you are done watching this, you'll understand how both work together and how you can literally go from a product link to a full professional Shopify store in minutes. How Atlas fits into your e-commerce workflow. I know a lot of people get confused about how Shopify and Atlas work together, so let me break it down like you're setting up your first store. Shopify is the system that runs your business. It manages your inventory, checkout, orders, and customers. It's your control room. Atlas sits inside Shopify, and it's what makes your store look good and sound good. It writes your copy, imports your images, and creates a full store design that feels brand ready. So you're not choosing between Shopify and Atlas, they actually work as a team. Shopify is your engine, Atlas is your creative assistant, and because they integrate natively, you don't have to touch any code or connect third-party tools. It's literally a plug and play. All right, so first thing you want to do is click the link down below in the description and you will see this screen right here. Right now, Shopify is running a deal where you can get 3 months for $1 a month after your free trial. So here's what you do. You would enter your email address right here in the box, then click start for free, and Shopify will walk you through a short setup, name your store, choose a password, and that's it. You don't need to stress about the name just yet. You can change it later once your branding is figured out. So this matters because Shopify is your home base where all your sales, products, and analytics live. You can literally go from 0 to launch in a day if you set this up right. When your dashboard loads, that's where we will start working. And this is what your Shopify dashboard should look like once you are in. On the left side, you've got home, where Shopify gives you step-by-step tips, products where you'll manage items that you will sell. We have our online store as well, which is your actual website editor, and applications where we will find and install Atlas AI. Before we do anything, make sure your trial is active. That way everything syncs and installs smoothly when we connect new applications. Now go up to the search bar at the top of your dashboard and you want to type in Atlas AI and hit enter. That will bring you directly to this page, the Atlas AI Store Builder app. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the purple checkmark logo and the words built for Shopify. So here's what to look for: a 4.7 star rating from other store owners, a short intro video that shows what Atlas can do, the install button right here under the app title. So here's a quick rundown of what Atlas does. They build high converting product pages using AI, meaning you paste a product link and Atlas designs the whole page for you. They handles copy, images, and layout automatically. Also adds upsells and bundles without needing extra plugins. Basically, it takes a process that used to take 2 hours and does it in 2 minutes. So when you're ready, click install. Shopify will ask you to confirm the connection, click approve. Then Atlas AI will open directly inside of your dashboard and then you are good to go. Once Atlas opens, this setup screen will pop up. Click generate store. It's recommended and it only takes a few minutes. And don't worry, it won't replace your published theme until you approve it, so you can preview everything first. Okay, so now you can select a product you would like to generate a store for. So we can look on Shopify, Alibaba, Amazon, or AliExpress. But what I am going to do is start picking my AliExpress product. So I will go to the AliExpress website. And when you're browsing AliExpress for products, you want to think aesthetic first. Look for things with color, vibe, and scroll stopping design. Like if you are going for a clean beauty vibe, let's say a blush. So if you're going for a clean beauty vibe, pick something more like pink, white, or even pastel. If you're in home decor, you want to choose neutrals and cozy tones. Basically, ask yourself, would this look cute in an Instagram ad? If yes, that is going to be your product. Okay, so this is the fun part, adding your product. Again, you can pull from Shopify, Amazon, Alibaba, or AliExpress. I am using AliExpress for this demo because that's where most people test trending products. So this one looks interesting. I'm going to pick this one and you can register and sign in. All right, so once you pick your product, all you want to do is just copy the product link, literally the URL, then go back to the Shopify page we were at and go ahead and paste the link and click proceed. No CSVs, no importing. It's literally that easy. Atlas will automatically grab all the information in that URL and then start building your official store. Okay, so this part always blows my mind. You can literally watch Atlas build everything in real time, from layout to copy, while you just sit back and relax. It's like having your own little marketing assistant that doesn't sleep. So they are importing product data, AI conducting market research, writing sales copies, creating the store theme, and officially finalizing your store. So once the AI finishes generating, you'll see your product images load like this, and here's what you get to curate your vibe. For example, I picked this blush product, so I chose the pink, clean, glowy photos that feel feminine and aesthetic. So pick photos that match your vibe, clean tones for beauty, warm neutrals if you're doing home products, and bold colors for statement products. And what is amazing is you can also upload your own UGC style photos if you want it to feel more personal. Maybe you already have these products at home. You can like take some photos with it and then upload it here. Then select continue, and here you can customize your store. So now it's time to make your store you. Atlas gives you a bunch of color presets, or you can pick custom colors. So I went with this soft blush pink. So I am going to play around with it. Click pink petal. Perfect. So I went with this soft blush pink because it matches the product and gives that clean, dewy vibe. If your brand is more minimal, you can also try beige or ivory. And if it's bold, you can go coral or even red. You can also adjust fonts, buttons, and layouts. This is the home page editor. Atlas pre-fills everything from the heading, subheadings, product sections, but definitely tweak it to sound more like you. So for mine, it says effortlessly achieve a flawless glow anytime. I'm going to change it to achieve effortless radiance instantly, just like that, because it's catchy and it fits the tone. You can also add little lines like unleash your inner glow or rated #1 best tool of 2025 to grab attention. Basically, think like a customer. What would make you click shop now? Next up is product information. Customize it to fit your own audience. If your product's main selling point is the texture, you're gonna wanna mention that. If it's the packaging, you can highlight that as well. For example, mine says Radiant Duo Cream Blush, this year's best-selling effortless radiance. You see, it's short, aesthetic, but still descriptive. Is this product suitable for sensitive skin? Or how long does the blush last throughout the day? You can edit each one, but honestly, they are pretty spot on. This is where you build trust, answer the stuff customers wonder before buying so they don't bounce off of your website. Next is visuals and media. Okay, so this section is your visual storytelling. This is what actually hooks people the second they land on your product page. So here's what you do. You'll see things like image with text, horizontal scrolling images, and more. And this is where you will write, and the right side is what it'll look like if it's live on your store. So start with your main headline. Say something simple like effortless beauty awaits you. Don't overthink it. It just needs to sound clean and confident. Then under paragraph, you're basically writing one short sentence that tells people what the product does. Something like transform your makeup routine with a versatile tool that'll enhance your glow. Something like transform your makeup routine with one versatile tool that enhances your glow. Now the bullet points, these are what most people actually read. Achieve a flawless glow instantly. Refresh your look on the go. Embrace cruelty-free beauty effortlessly. Those bullet points should hit quick benefits, what it does, how it helps, and and why it's easy. Then there's the scrolling images part. This is like a mini gallery that shows your product in action. You can upload a mix of close-ups and lifestyle photos. It keeps people scrolling, which means they're staying longer on your page. Next, you've got text and interactive. So this one is easy. This is where you add those moving headlines that slide across your screen because it adds energy and keeps your page from feeling flat. So all you do is fill in short phrases that describe your product, something like effortless beauty routine, hydration meets color, long-lasting glow, and cruelty-free confidence. Keep them short, 2 to 4 words max. It's not about giving information, it's about catching attention. It makes your product page feel alive, like an actual brand and not a boring template. Now, this part is where you actually sell without sounding salesy. This is your persuasion and benefit section. It's everything that helps people trust the product, the story, the results, the social proof. Start with your headline, something like effortless radiance for everyday glamour. Then under paragraph, write one sentence that connects to how they will feel after using it. Maybe something like, get a natural glow that lasts all day so you can look confident from morning to night. And then there is a reasons to buy section. Atlas gives you these stat blocks. They're essentially like little survey snippets or user highlights. You can write stuff like felt confident all day, simplified their makeup routine, got flawless application with one swipe. You're basically showing what results people can expect. Even though it's text, it reads like customer proof, which makes the page feel more real. Then at the bottom, we have a why choose us section. So you can list out all the advantages, whether it's hydrating formula, long-lasting wear, blendable texture, and so on. This section works great because it visually compares you to everyone else without even naming them. This last part is what makes people actually buy. It's not about the product, it is about the trust. You'll see a section called Icon Guarantees. You'll just fill in short, simple phrases, things like effortless beauty on the go, hydration for fresh skin, customize your perfect look, and space-saving convenience daily. So these are like visual badges. They make your site feel safer, more official. And then there is a review section as well. You can title it something like what our customers say. Even if you don't have reviews yet, you can still leave this as a placeholder. It signals that you're a real brand that values feedback. Finally, there's the satisfaction guarantee part. This is your safety net, what makes people click add to cart without fear. Something simple like try it risk-free with our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not obsessed, we'll make it right. So you're essentially telling them you've got nothing to lose, and that's the difference between a window shopper and a buyer. Okay, so once you click continue, it'll take you to pricing, and don't worry, this part's really easy. So here's the breakdown. Starter plan is $39 a month. Again, you can click the link down below and start your 5-day free trial. It's perfect if you're just starting out and want to test products fast. You get unlimited AI built stores, unlimited product pages, photo generator, upsells, and cart features, basically everything you need to get your first sales. Then we have our growth plan for $99 a month. This one's for go-getters if you're scaling or running multiple niches. It comes with unlimited added revenue tools and gives you total flexibility to test new products anytime. Then we have our one-time payment plan, which is $249, and it's lifetime access. If you're the type who just wants a forever theme without monthly fees, this one is for you. You'll miss out on the AI tools and upsells, but it's a good deal if you're building one simple store. A tip, I would start with the starter plan. Honestly, you get a free 5-day trial and you can upgrade later once your store starts popping off. Then I will click here. So after picking your plan, this checkout page will pop up. Add your store address, pick how you want to pay, card or PayPal, and hit approve. It's all processed through Shopify's own billing system, which makes it super safe and simple. If you're on the free trial, it won't charge right away. Once it is approved, Atlas AI unlocks instantly, and you can start building unlimited stores right inside Shopify. Future updates and enhancements. The team behind Atlas is always improving the platform, and that's what makes it so exciting for 2025 and beyond. They're working on new tools that make it even easier for small business owners to customize their stores. Think AI-generated product photos, automatic keyword-rich SEO writing, and integration with trending Shopify apps for things like subscriptions or loyalty rewards. They've also talked about launching a visual brand kit generator, which means Atlas could automatically create your logo, color palette, and brand tone in one click. These future updates are meant to help beginners who want their store to look professional without hiring designers or paying for a dozen different apps. Who should use Atlas AI? Beginners who have never built a Shopify store before will love how simple it is. It builds everything automatically. Side hustlers and dropshippers who test new products regularly will save hours since Atlas can launch stores fast. Even established brands can use it to spin up new product pages quickly or A/B test different store styles. Basically, if you want your store to look good, feel cohesive, and go live faster, Atlas AI was made for you. You just watched me go from product link to full Shopify store in under 10 minutes, no coding, no stressing, and no extra applications. Atlas AI handles the design, copy, and setup, so you can focus on building your brand and marketing your products. If you want to try out Atlas AI yourself, click the link down below. It's completely free to install, and you can pair it with Shopify's $1 trial to get started today. If this walkthrough helped, hit like, drop a comment letting me know what kind of store you're building, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'm Erin from Ecom Mastery, and I'll see you in the next one.